My name is Thomas Hilger. I am Managing Director and owner of Lightway GmbH und Co. KG. Customers come to us with problems or questions about additive manufacturing. Lightway helps with the entire process, from the first idea to the final optimized design for additive manufacturing, as well as the final machining and finishing. My name is Ingo Müller. I work at Lightway in additive manufacturing design. We use Siemens NX for the entire process. We are very impressed with the design capabilities for additive manufacturing. From the simplest geometry to the most complex components like topology optimization and developing lattice structures and freeform surfaces, this can all be done within just one single software. My name is Pascal Schäfer. I am working on data preparation for 3D printing, including CAM programming and robotic programming for our milling machine. We clearly see the advantage of the NX AM module with support structure generation for component patterning and associated component updates for production. If small changes occur, not everything has to be redone, it just automatically updates. We also work with EOS print integration, which accelerates our process enormously. In regards to CAM programming, we really benefit from the full integration of NX. We can use 3D printed parts directly as raw materials for final milling. And the template technology lets us easily reuse machining processes without much effort. In addition, we work together with Janus Engineering to program the measuring cycles for NX CAM. This keeps the programming and milling time as short as possible. To remove the support structures on the milling machine, we use the most modern technologies, like simultaneous 5-axis machining, which Siemens NX supports. This lets us easily adopt the most advanced milling processes possible. For additive manufacturing, we also feature unmanned production. For this, we use NX Robotics to prepare the right robotics overnight for the milling machine. By using Siemens NX throughout the entire process chain, we are much more flexible in component production. We can react faster to customer requests. All our data is automatically connected. The devices, the AM module, the CAM programming, everything is updated automatically. We were able to create a new component from the first idea to a ready-to-use part within 10 days. With our former process, this would have taken several weeks. We at Lightway are very satisfied with the continuous development of the NX AM module and the support from Siemens, including the Solutions Partner program.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.